Hey guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the Mac Mini 2010 edition, which was released June of 2010. Now it comes bog standard as 2 gigs of RAM, but I'm going to be installing 8 gigs. So thanks to Crucial, this upgrade will cost you around £85. Depends on what type of delivery you get really. Now all we need to do first is disconnect all terminals, so you've got nothing plugged in, no power, nothing like that, and away you go basically. So you turn to do a bit of pressure and you turn the cap on the bottom of the Mac Mini, and so like that. As you can see, I've got a load of dust in my machine. I haven't actually cleaned this machine out ever since I've got it, so what we're going to do now is we're going to flip these 2 RAM sticks out. Now they've got 2 little clips on the side which you pull back on, and the RAM will just levy up. Remember, don't use too much force when you're doing this. As you can see, these are 2 1GB. So as you can see, very simple. I've seen people actually break their memory doing this. Do follow what it says on the instructions on the inside of the panel. Do not try to force it. You also get instructions with the Crucial memory on how to install SODIMM memory, which is laptop memory. This is what this Mac Mini takes. So I'm just trying to get them out of the case now. Hey, drop that on the floor. What you want to do is make sure you don't touch any of the gold pins, because you can cause an electric charge in the machine. Now what you do is you offer it up to the slot about 90 degrees. Now always remember the back hook will always be the one that gets in the way. So there you go, you push in and down and it clicks. So we'll go on to the second one. Now as you can see, this is being relatively easy, and I think that's in properly. I'm not 100% sure. I will just levy that up a bit more so it's down and in. So you've got to make sure all the pins go into the slot correctly, or else this won't work at all. You'll get some error when you load up Mac OS X, or it won't load up at all. So here we go for the second one. Now remember, left hand side, always follow the slot, and you offer it up to the slot at a 90-degree angle, then push down. And sometimes laptop memory doesn't always go in straight away, but it does take a bit of levying. Should I say levying? There's always one that doesn't go in correctly. So you've got to be really careful. Do not force any of this, because if you do, the chances of you breaking your Mac Mini are very high. For some reason that one's not sitting in properly. So that should be in properly. So all we need to do now is put the cap back on the Mac Mini. Now get rid of all this fluff, and so you offer it to that side and you turn. So that was my Mac Mini 8GB upgrade. Like I say, this upgrade will cost you around £85 depending on your delivery method, and it was from crucial.com. So go and check them out, and thanks for watching. Cheers.